In this video, you'll learn how to add a border to your video in Premiere Pro. I'll show you 2 easy ways you can do this. Start by selecting the rectangle tool. If you can't see the rectangle tool, hold down on the icon until it appears in the menu. Now go over to your video preview and draw a box that covers your entire video clip. Head to Essential Graphics and select the rectangle shape. Then scroll down and uncheck the fill box and check the stroke box. Select the inner stroke option and adjust the size of your border. You can also click on the color box next to stroke to change your border color. If you want to move your clip around with the new border attached, select both layers, right-click, and choose Nest. This will allow you to move both your video and border together. Now let's try the second method. Keep in mind that this will only work if you want to create a black border. Start by going up to Effects and type Bevel Edges in the search bar. Now drag the Bevel Edges effect onto your video clip and open Effect Controls. Under Bevel Edges, change the color to black. You can then adjust the border thickness until you reach your desired look.